So it's almost at the end of the year, so if you're looking to upgrade your TV to the latest technology and features without breaking the bank, the Hisense U7H 55-inch 4K ULED Smart TV may be what you need. Now, as soon as you open the box cover, there will be two individual stands, both on the left and also for the right side of the TV. Then after you remove one of the styrofoam covers, you'll find a plastic Ziploc bag. In there are lots of additional items such as the 3-pin power cord, the AUX to 3 RCA cable, the screws for the stand, then there's the TV remote. Finally, you'll find the TV itself. Now let's talk about the design and build quality. Well, I instantly like this U7H because of its contemporary and the minimalist look. Just check out the almost bezel-less design on the top and also on the left and right. Then there's a tiny little chin at the bottom with the Hisense script, where the overall thinnest point is just 3.5 inches. Now if you look closely at the edges, the screen seems to be floating on the back panel. Now Hisense says that this is thanks to the suspension lamination technology that results in a more immersive view, and this is also done with the unique glue sealing technique, where the overall light leakage is reduced, which is a common problem of this kind of design, so it's nice that Hisense has put in some great thought into this. Now build quality is excellent, and the bottom bar and the legs are made of solid and very sturdy metal, which makes the U7H not only look premium but also feels premium too. And I love how it has this clever design to attach the stand, where you can just insert that, then screw the stand with the included screws given as seen in the unboxing. Now speaking of the stand, it was held down extremely sturdily towards the front of the TV, so you'll be able to only add a smaller size soundbar to the setup. However, it can be wall mounted through its VESA mount if you have an existing soundbar. Now on the back, the Hisense U7H uses a pure black backplane with large vents at the top, and at the middle is the audio output. On the left there is the power input, and on the right side is where you'll find the selection of ports and interfaces, which I'll cover in the next section. So overall, from a build quality and designs perspective, if you're looking for a contemporary looking TV that will look great at any living room or even a dedicated entertainment room, this is a huge step compared to the previous Hisense TVs that I've reviewed. Now being a TV, it's all about the screen, and what a screen this TV has. Now the Hisense U7H uses the ULED technology, or Ultra LED, which is a backlight partition display developed by Hisense. Now in essence, it combines the Quantum Dot's high color gamut and the image processing technology powered by Hisense HiView engine to improve the picture display quality and of course the overall color accuracy. Also, the U7H features full array local dimming that helps to change the bottom lights to the backlights to prevent interference of different display zones. And with that, just so you all know, the more backlights, the finer and great control that the pictures will be because of its great light control, and this results in a more precise contrast with darker darks and lighter lights. Now what's great about this U7H is the fact that it is a 4K HDR display with HDR10 Plus adaptive technology and also Dolby Vision certified. It has an impressive peak brightness of 600 nits, making it perfect for even a brightly lit area like here in the studio. Now viewing angles on the TV is good at 178 degrees. Then it has the adaptive depth, which automatically adjusts the contrast to enhance the depth of the picture and of course give you a better depth of field. Then there's also the eye protection feature that helps you to ensure that you're watching at the right level of blue light emission for longer viewing, no matter the lighting environment that you're in. Next, Hisense has also given some cool advantages for you gamers out there, as the U7H is a 120Hz panel that offers a variable refresh rate or auto low latency mode, or ALLM. Now all of this is encompassed with the Game Mode Pro, which is a dedicated gaming mode. Even better is when you combine this with the Dolby Vision, it gives you a lifelike visuals and outstanding brightness and contrast and color. Definitely awesome for plugging in your gaming console or even your gaming PC. Now this is something that you just can't explain with words, where you need to definitely experience that. So yes, seeing is believing indeed. Now as for audio, the Hisense U7H supports Dolby Atmos. Hence you'll get a 3-dimensional space sound around you, giving you an immersive audio experience, as this is becoming a norm, especially for TVs moving forward in year 2022 and beyond. Then in terms of the ports and interfaces, the U7H is pretty generous, offering a whole host of options. When looking towards the side, there is the headphones jack, the AV in, the cable TV input, the HDMI 4 port which can support up to 4K 120Hz, the HDMI 3 EARC or eARC port also supporting 4K 120Hz. Then there's HDMI 2 and HDMI 1 that supports 4K 60Hz. Then finally at the back there's another USB 2.0 port, a digital audio out and a LAN or Ethernet port. So if you plan to connect your gaming console to the TV, then the HDMI 2.1 port will be the most crucial one here as it supports up to 4K 120Hz signal input, or you can use the EARC or the eARC port to plug in your Dolby Atmos soundbar if you have one. Then connectivity wise, it has a 802.11 AC dual band and Bluetooth built in. Now as with any TV, the U7H comes with a remote, and this is no ordinary remote. Coming with a minimalist backlight buttons and also comes with Bluetooth connectivity, a dedicated microphone button, a dedicated buttons for your favorite OTT channels like Netflix or even YouTube as well. And you can instantly use the voice search button on the TV just like this. Open YouTube. What's the weather today like? What time is it? Then finally, the U7H runs Hisense Vida OS Smart TV platform. It is fast, very responsive and easy to use, and even more secured. You can even customize the TV's hub in order of your favorite apps. And here's where once again there are a lot of improvements on this Vida U6 software compared to its previous generation. And speaking of software, if you have any issues with data privacy, well, the good news is that all of your login data will be private, safe and secure thanks to the TÜV Rheinland Product Privacy Protection certification. So being a brand new TV that just has been released, I will leave all the updated price of the Hisense U7H in the description below, as it is available in this 55-inch and also a bigger 65 inches as well. And that's it. And you know, it's really lovely to see that the Hisense U7H clearly punches above its weight, delivering an outstanding cinematic and gaming experience especially, which again proves how well Hisense continues to push the limits of having a great quality to price ratio, especially with the fact that Hisense is the official sponsor for FIFA World Cup Qatar 2022, clearly shows the credibility of the brand as well. And with that, as usual, if you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section below and I'll answer them as soon as I can.